Welcome back to Pamuka Wealth Empire. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrencies. We'll analyze some of the top digital currencies, exploring their potential, risks, and what the future might hold for them. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm. From Bitcoin's meteoric rise to the emergence of countless altcoins, it's clear that digital currencies are here to stay. But with so many options out there, how do you know which ones to invest in? Today, we'll break down some of the most prominent cryptocurrencies and give you an in-depth analysis of their strengths and weaknesses. First up, we have the king of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin or BTC. This digital currency has revolutionized the financial world and continues to be a dominant force in the market. Since its creation in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has sparked a global movement towards decentralized finance. Nakamoto's identity remains unknown, adding an air of mystery and intrigue to Bitcoin's origin story. Bitcoin has established itself as the gold standard in the crypto world. It was the first cryptocurrency to solve the double spending problem without the need for a trusted authority or central server. With a market cap exceeding $500 billion, Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. This comparison stems from its limited supply of 21 million coins, making it a scarce asset. Bitcoin's price history is a testament to its volatility and growth potential. From its humble beginnings, it has experienced dramatic price swings, capturing the attention of both retail and institutional investors. It started from a few cents and skyrocketed to an all-time high of nearly $65,000 in 2021. This meteoric rise has made early adopters millionaires and has drawn significant media attention. Despite its price fluctuations, many investors see Bitcoin as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Its decentralized nature means it is not subject to government control or interference, which appeals to those seeking financial sovereignty. But Bitcoin isn't without its drawbacks. Its network can become congested, leading to slower transaction times and higher fees, especially during periods of high demand. It's relatively slow and has high transaction fees compared to some newer cryptocurrencies. For instance, while Bitcoin transactions can take up to 10 minutes to confirm, other cryptocurrencies can process transactions in seconds. Plus, its environmental impact due to energy-intensive mining is a growing concern. Bitcoin mining requires vast amounts of electricity, often sourced from non-renewable energy, leading to a significant carbon footprint. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin's adoption continues to grow. Major companies like Tesla and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, and payment processors like PayPal now allow users to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. The future of Bitcoin remains a topic of much debate. Some believe it will continue to rise in value and become a global reserve currency, while others think its volatility and environmental concerns may hinder its long-term success. One thing is certain: the Bitcoin community is passionate and innovative. Developers are constantly working on solutions to improve scalability and reduce environmental impact, ensuring Bitcoin remains a key player in the evolving world of digital finance. Next, we have Ethereum, or ETH. Ethereum is one of the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrencies in the world. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It was created to be a decentralized platform that goes beyond the capabilities of Bitcoin. It's a decentralized platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps. These smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code, making transactions more secure and transparent. This versatility has made Ethereum the backbone of the decentralized finance, or DeFi, movement. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial systems such as loans and insurance using blockchain technology, and Ethereum is at the heart of this innovation. Its market cap is second only to Bitcoin, and its recent upgrade, known as Ethereum 2.0, aims to solve some of its scalability issues and reduce energy consumption. Ethereum 2.0 introduces a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is more energy efficient compared to the traditional proof-of-work. However, Ethereum also faces challenges, including network congestion and high gas fees. These issues arise because of the high demand for transactions on the network, which can slow down processing times and make transactions more expensive. Its competitors like Binance Smart Chain and Cardano are vying for the same market with potentially better scalability solutions. Binance Smart Chain offers faster transaction times and lower fees, while Cardano focuses on a research-driven approach to improve scalability and security. Despite these challenges, Ethereum has a strong community and developer support, which continues to drive innovation and improvements on the platform. The Ethereum Foundation and various independent developers are constantly working on new features and upgrades to keep Ethereum at the forefront of blockchain technology. Looking ahead, the future of Ethereum seems promising. With ongoing developments and the potential for new use cases in areas like supply chain management, gaming, and digital identity, Ethereum is poised to remain a key player in the blockchain space for years to come. Now let's talk about Binance Coin or BNB. Initially created as a utility token for the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, BNB has grown to become one of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. Its primary use is to pay for transaction fees on the Binance platform, offering users discounts and other benefits. BNB's value has surged alongside the popularity of the Binance exchange and its ecosystem, including Binance Smart Chain, which offers faster and cheaper transactions compared to Ethereum. Despite its success, BNB's value is closely tied to the performance of the Binance exchange. Any regulatory issues or competition could impact its price significantly. Another promising cryptocurrency is Cardano, or ADA. Created by Charles Hoskinson, one of Ethereum's co-founders, Cardano aims to provide a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem for cryptocurrencies. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is more energy efficient than Bitcoin's proof of work. Its layered architecture separates the ledger of account values from the reason why values are moved, allowing for more flexibility and scalability. Cardano's development is methodical and research-driven, which some see as an advantage. However, it has been criticized for its slow rollout of features and dApps compared to other platforms. Finally, let's look at Solana, or Sol. Known for its high throughput and low transaction costs, Solana has gained attention as a potential Ethereum killer. It can process thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains out there. Solana's unique consensus mechanism, called Proof of History, helps to achieve this speed without compromising security. Its ecosystem is growing rapidly, with many DeFi projects and NFTs choosing Solana over Ethereum due to lower costs. However, Solana has faced some network outages and reliability issues, which it needs to address to maintain investor confidence. In conclusion, each cryptocurrency has its own strengths and challenges. Understanding these nuances is crucial for anyone looking to invest in the crypto space. Bitcoin remains a store of value, often referred to as digital gold. Its limited supply and widespread recognition make it a popular choice for long-term investors. Ethereum powers the DeFi world, enabling smart contracts and decentralized applications. Its versatility and continuous upgrades keep it at the forefront of blockchain innovation. Binance Coin benefits from its exchange, offering users reduced fees and a variety of trading options. Its integration within the Binance ecosystem provides it with a strong utility. Cardano offers a research-driven approach, focusing on peer-reviewed academic research to ensure a secure and scalable blockchain. This methodical development process aims to create a robust and sustainable platform. Solana promises high-speed transactions, boasting one of the fastest blockchains in the market. Its low transaction costs and scalability make it an attractive option for developers and users alike. As always, it's essential to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before investing in any cryptocurrency. The landscape is ever-changing, and staying informed is key to making sound investment decisions. The crypto market is highly volatile, with prices that can swing dramatically in short periods. This volatility can present both risks and opportunities for investors. But with the right knowledge and strategy, you can navigate these fluctuations and potentially reap significant rewards. Diversifying your portfolio and staying updated with market trends can help mitigate risks. It can offer incredible opportunities. Many investors have found success by staying patient and informed, capitalizing on the growth of this dynamic market. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content that you love. Share it with your friends so they too can benefit from this valuable information. Sharing knowledge is a great way to build a community of informed investors. And subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. We regularly update our channel with the latest trends, tips, and analyses to help you stay ahead. See you next time.